SportGlobe, welcome again to another YouTube video. SportGlobe fans, how you be? I hope everybody are doing alright. Hey, this is another video that, I've seen something out there that I think I want to bring to your attention. I don't like it, but I don't know if you like it. But if you like it, it's up to you. But I pretty much don't like it. Hey, listen. Jamaican leaders wearing other country national jersey during this World Cup campaign. How do you feel about that? I want to think about it. I can give you my opinion here and tell you what I think about it. And I'm also going to share a video with you with Christopher Tufton in an England jersey attending an England World Cup match, the last England World Cup match that they won, supporting England in a jersey, and went to the game as well, saying that he was just in Miami and him son love football and him just attend the game. So I'm go, I guess him get him England jersey and I guess him supporting the England team. But hey, how do you feel about our leaders wearing other countries' colors, supporting other countries? Whether or not we in the World Cup, yes or no, it don't matter. My thing is that our leaders supposed to wear our colors at all times. So if you even want to go to the England the game, then support your national team or just stay neutral because this is your team. Would you think the England Prime Minister would be wearing a Jamaica jersey even if Jamaica was playing up against another country and England wasn't in the competition? Do you think Argentina would be wearing another country jersey, Argentina leader? Do you think the leader of the United States, the great one Donald Trump, would be wearing a Jamaica jersey if the US wasn't in the competition representing CONCACAF? Do you think so? Do you think that any other nation would be wearing any other nation jersey? Whether or not they're supporting the nation, yes or no, and going to a game. I've also watched TV and TVJ coverage of the whole thing, and one of their panelists, who is the director of football, I see him nicely clad in a France jersey and him up on the set. But this is our director of football who's supposed to emanate Jamaica all the time. This is the man who's supposed to lead the Jamaica football movement and the courses and the classes and the training and the whole of the thing. These are our leaders who's supposed to lead our country. But them have another country's jersey and other country's colors. It just goes to show you that, are we really into our country? Are we really into developing our nation? That we're so excited about other countries and their press that we're not even thinking, even as leaders. So I can understand fans want to support other countries and other nations. That's okay. They're fans, right? I understand that leaders, they're fans too. But come on. This is your country. You're a leader of the country now. You are the head of the thing. You can't... I wouldn't be shocked if I say Andrew Holness come out in a film, the country where I must support jersey too.
Money fan. I think they play very clinical football. They have a workhorse mentality. They work hard, they run hard, they play hard, and they are the come from behind specialists as well. They're very, very good. But Spain looks good, France looks good. Don't underestimate the United States. They might go very far. So who knows? This World Cup seems to be a very, very engaging. The teams are playing very well. A lot of surprise results. So I'm bringing Germany, but who knows?
I don't even remember if I went and see him in that, but I haven't seen it, so I won't even comment on it. But I wouldn't be shocked because this is the way the thing go. I mean, we all support other teams. I mean, when you have your club team, that's fine. And I can understand leaders who support clubs and all of that. Yeah, that's fine. Because that's a private, independent kind of thing. But when it comes on to national support, whether Jamaica in the competition, yes or no, I think, and my feeling, is that I don't even buy another country jersey, So even though I'm supporting France in this competition, I'm not going to wear a France jersey and I'm not going to buy a France jersey. It doesn't even matter. You understand? I support them. I like them football with them. I play and I supporting them because I want to be a part of the competition and the whole thrills and spills and the whole thing about it. But I am not going to go out, buy a national country jersey and wear it. I here in Canada, I feel uncomfortable if I go put on a friend's jersey and walk down the street or, if we go attend something in our friend's jersey. That don't feel good to me, and that don't look good to me. So I don't even understand how the minister, and Minister Tufton, maybe you need to examine that again and tell me. Maybe you can share your thoughts on it. And guess what, people? I want you to share your thoughts on it as well. Tell me how you feel about your leaders putting on another country jersey and going into a game out in another public space. Right? But I want you to watch a video, hear what he has to say. But he was talking about his ministry, and I must applaud this YouTuber that I constantly follow in capturing him and finding him and chatting to him. And I love what the minister says about the ministry. But hey, listen, minister, the ministry want much more than that to be done. Yeah, so let's get to work. And maybe it's because we pay attention to other countries' business. That's why we now get our job done from a leader's perspective. So, hey, YouTubers and SportGlobe family, thanks so much for joining the channel, and thanks for your subscription, thanks for your comments, and thanks for keep supporting it. And these are my thoughts. What's yours? Leave your comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think our leaders should be wearing other nations' colors and jersey publicly? Let them all wear it to the yard is fine. Do you think they should be wearing other countries' national colors, national jerseys, and supporting other countries like that in this World Cup and beyond, and any other competitions like this? Do you think so? Let me know in the comment section. Leave me your comments. Hey, listen, France was saying, so all the best to the French team today. Go and get the better of Spain today, and definitely looking for a great World Cup finals come Sunday. I hope Argentina is not there. Hey, listen, hey, what do you think? England, take care of the business. Remember, like, share, and leave your comment. Tell me what you think. Leaders of our country, should they be wearing other countries' jersey? Me not like it. I don't know what you think. Leave us your comments. All right? Until our next time again. All right. This is Richard from SportGlobe. Keep supporting us as we keep supporting your comments as well. All right. Thanks so much.
Where you from?
Jamaica, the best place.
You say yard man?
Yeah, man, I'm a big yard man.
What made you leave Jamaica to come to Miami?
Just here for 2 days. My son loves football, and of course World Cup going on, and I said, listen, I'm going to treat him. So we are here just to watch and then head back.
Why do you think Jamaica never make it to the World Cup?
Because we have the heart of lions, but sometimes the coordination is a little out of place. We have done it before, one time actually, but we never made it this time, unfortunately. But still a champion team. As a matter of fact, most big teams now have Jamaican players, including the big English.
This episode is sponsored by J&J Garage. Top quality, cheap prices.
J Garage, we do excellent brakes and clutch repair. Pressure plates, flywheels, disc brake pad, brake shoes, clutches. Any job you have, cars, vans, jeeps, buses, trucks, and tractors. Just call J&J Garage, 1-876-408-3836. 887-7504 for all your pickup and delivery service throughout the 14 parishes.
England that won today.
What do you do for work?
So I'm the Minister of Health and Wellness in Jamaica.
Do you think that Jamaica has a good healthcare system?
I think we have a better healthcare system than we had 10 years ago when we took office.
What's the difference?
More hospital beds, more diagnostic equipment, more drugs being given to persons who are ill free of cost, more doctors and nurses, more legislation or policy around restriction of sugary drink. But let me stress, it's never perfect and it never really reaches the target that you want, because the challenges evolve every single day.
So if there's one thing that you want to see change now as the health minister, what would you want it to be?
I think it would be really good if every citizen understood that they have a role to protect their own health. Secondly though, the nurses and doctors showing more empathy, because over time, if you're in the business long enough, you get a little cold to illness, and sometimes you miss the importance of showing better care. Even as you administer clinical care, the behavioral response to people is also very important. If a baby falls off a bed, it's a crisis. If you take it from the perspective of someone who is suffering or having a relative who is suffering, it's
Hey everyone, check out this bump-free spray. It stops the grown hair to show you just one spray. It's that easy.
No bumps, no irritation, just smooth skin.
Get yours today.
always a crisis, and everybody expects an immediate response and an immediate remedy. It's always not possible to do that. More often than not, it's not. But you try. So my ideal world is to see each of us taking a decision that we're going to live in a way that protects us, exercise, rest, drink more water than sugary drink, that sort of thing. And also those who work in the system recognizing that it's not good enough to just be an excellent clinician. It's also important to administer care with empathy, because empathy helps to overcome the kind of misery index that those who are suffering experience.